Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use Law of Cosines. Remember, when you guys are using Law of Cosines, you either have to have all three sides to start and be looking for an angle, or be given two sides and the included angle. That second part is what I've got. I've got two sides. I've got this one and this one, and I've got the included angle that's in between these two sides, so I can use this information to find a third side. X is the third side that I am going to have, and that is going to be essentially my A value when I put it into this formula. So I'm going to start off, and I'm going to take all of my values and I'm going to plug them into the formula to begin with. So this is going to start off as x squared. It's going to be equal all of the other sides squared, so 6 squared and 8 squared, minus 2 times 6 times 8 times the cosine of my angle. Now, I'm going to solve for x eventually. Right now it's at x squared. Before I can solve for x, what I need to do is simplify everything down. Always simplify before you solve. I'm going to start by simplifying in order of PEMDAS. The first thing that I can simplify is the stuff here in my parentheses. I know I can take cosine of 100 and turn that into a decimal. I'm going to. So it'll become and the cosine of 100 in this case is equal to a negative 0.17. Now I've taken care of my parentheses. Second step in PEMDAS is exponents. My 6 squared is going to become 36. My 8 squared will become 64. Exponents are all done. Now I can multiply. In this particular situation, I have 2 times 6 times 8 times this. All of those things are getting multiplied, so I can multiply them all at once. I don't have to do it in separate steps. This is going to end up becoming x squared is equal to 36, 64, and then 2 times 6 times 8 times a negative 0.17 altogether ends up equaling a negative 16.7. Now, all I have left in my expression is addition and subtraction, so I just do it from left to right. So x squared is going to equal 36 plus 64. That is 100. And then 100 minus a minus 16.7 is the same thing as adding. So this becomes 116.7. The next thing that I need to do is actually solve for my x. I need to get rid of the squared that's there. I will take the square root of both sides in order to accomplish this. The square root of x squared is just x. And the square root of 116.7 is 10.8. And that's all there is to it.